This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barry Murek and Christopher Duvall. Stunning home in historic Sailboat Bend rebuilt from the ground up. All new construction, impact windows and doors throughout. Gorgeous finishes to include chef's kitchen with crisp white shaker cabinets, 5-burner gas range, French door refrigerator. Upstairs has master bedroom with walls of windows as well as second bedroom. Front loading washer and dryer in upstairs hallway. Engineered bamboo wood floors throughout. Expansive backyard with room for a pool. Main house has 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Cottage in rear is completely fenced with privateentrance, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, front loading washer and dryer, vaulted ceilings in living. Minutes to everything downtown Fort Lauderdale has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Murek and Christopher Duvall at 954-296-7700.